We'll guide you through how to stream on Kick. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
The first thing that you need to do is open your browser and search for kick.com and make sure to log in with your ID or just create an ID if you don't have one. And after your account has been created and you're logged in, click on the profile picture on your top right corner. From the drop down, just click on Creator Dashboard. On the left hand side of the Creator Dashboard, you will see a option labeled as Stream URL and Key. Just click on it, and inside the URL section, look for Stream URL and Stream Key. These two pieces of information are what allows your streaming software to connect directly to your Kick account. Just copy the URL key from here. To copy it, you may even need to confirm that this is your account. So it will even send you a security code. So just go to Gmail and look for your Kick verification key. After entering, you will be able to successfully copy your URL keys. After that, you can also change your stream name. Just go to stream on your left hand side, and on the right hand side of the stream dashboard, you will see a small pencil icon. Just click on it, and from here you can change the title of your stream like stream 1, and you can even use your tag and select your own language, or you can even toggle on 18 plus if it is for mature audience only, and click on save. Now we need to download the streaming software. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for OBS Studio. Just go directly to the OBS website. OBS Studio is a free streaming and recording program that works on most computer and laptop. And once you are on the OBS website, click on the download button and choose your operating system, for example, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After the download finishes, open the installer and go through the installation process. And for the sake of the tutorial, I have already downloaded the OBS, so I'll just see you in the OBS. And now that we are inside the OBS, on the bottom left, you will see scenes. Scenes are basically different layout for your stream. For example, you might have a starting soon scene, or just chatting scene, or a gameplay scene. Next to scene, you will see sources. Sources are the element that appear in your scene, such as webcam, gameplay capture, image, overlay, or alerts. Next to that is the audio mixture, which controls sound level for things like microphone, desktop audio, music, and game sound. Now, before we build our stream scenes, we need to connect OBS to Kick. Look at the bottom right corner of OBS and click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, click on Stream tab, and in the service, just click on the drop down and make sure Custom is selected. Now go back to your Kick and just copy the stream URL and stream key. And after you have pasted your server and server key here, just click on Apply and click on Audio tab. Here, we will configure our audio devices. For desktop audio, just click on the drop down and choose the speaker or headphones that your computer uses. For mic and auxiliary, just click on the drop down and choose the microphone that you plan to use while streaming. And after selecting your microphone and desktop device, just click on Apply and click on OK. Now when you speak into your microphone, you should see the audio meter moving in the mixer like so, which confirms that OBS is detecting your mic. Next, we will configure some recommended streaming settings. On the top of the OBS, you will see an option labeled as Tools. Just click on Tools and then select Auto Configuration Wizard. Now, just click on Optimize for Streaming, and after Optimize for Streaming is selected, just click on Next. From here, for the best resolution, you can usually leave it at 1920 into 1080p, which is standard full HD. Then choose your frame rate by just clicking on the drop down and select any frame rate to your liking and click on Next. Click on Next once again and click on Next once again. Wait for it to load as it may take some time. OBS will now run a quick test to determine the best setting for your system, and once the test finishes, just click on Apply Settings. And now the technical setup is complete and we can start building the scenes for our stream. First, let's create a starting soon scene. In the scene panel, just click on the plus icon and enter your scene name. In my case, it's going to be starting. Let's click on OK. If you want to add a static image for a starting screen, select the image source. Just click on the plus icon and click on image. From here, you can just click on OK and you can browse through your files on your local computer. In my case, I'm just gonna add a random one like so. But if you have a starting screen, just add it and click on OK like so, and it will be added in the top. You can even configure it by moving it wherever you want. Now let's create a just chatting scene. Click the plus icon under the scenes and create a new scene like just chatting, and your chatting scene will be created. Then go to the sources panel and click on the plus icon and choose video capture device. You can even rename it and click on OK and select your webcam from the device list. Just select any camera to your liking and it will be selected, and once it is selected, just click on OK and your preview will be seen in your preview window. You can resize the webcam by dragging it like so, and you can move it anywhere. You can just select your webcam and click on transform and make sure fit to screen is selected and your webcam will be successfully fitted in the screen. This scene is perfect when you want to talk directly to your audience without a gameplay. Now let's create a gameplay scene. Again, click on the plus icon under the scenes and name it gameplay. Now again click the plus icon under sources and choose game capture. Just rename it to your liking, click on OK, and you will see the modes. You can just click on a drop down and select capture specific window and select your game from the capture, which in my case I have not added a game, so it's just for tutorial purpose. But if your game is here, just select it and your game will be successfully captured. Once selected, just click on OK and your game will appear in the preview window. If game capture does not work for your game, just click on the plus icon again and you can choose your display capture, which captures the entire screen. To start streaming, simply click on the start streaming in the right side, and after you click on start streaming like so, and make sure to select the correct scene and just go to your browser and go to your Kick account, and from here on the left hand side just go to your profile. Just click on a profile and click on creator dashboard, and from here you land in your stream, and as you can see our stream has been successfully started.